The flower on this card, when you look at the different dies that you need to use to make this flower, it looks very, very difficult, but it's really easy. Like for the flower, take the larger piece of Whisper White cardstock, and you're going to use this die, the ones that look really funky and make you think, what in the world is that for? This one, which reminds me of the candelabra from Beauty and the Beast, and this one. And you're gonna run this through your die cut machine. After you run it through your die cut machine, you're gonna have this large, which obviously looks like a flower. Then there's going to be this piece here, this smaller piece, and this piece. So what you wanna do is let's take the two larger pieces, and this is how you put the flower together. You just wanna think from big to small. So take the big flower and just kind of bend up the bottom like that. Take the next size and you're gonna slip it in to the bottom of the first one like that. And then flip up this bottom like that. Take the next smaller size and slip it in there like that. And let's pop in that piece like that. And then we'll take the final piece and put that in just like that. And that is how you build the flower. Now, you wanna make sure that the bottom of it is all even. So then after you put all the pieces together, you can just play with it and move it around a little bit so that it ends up looking like this. It's okay if a little bit sticks out the bottom, but you just want to play with it like that. So let me just take it apart and we'll do it one more time. After you die cut the pieces, put them in order from largest to smallest. Take the largest piece, flick up the bottom. Take the next largest piece, flick up the bottom, and stick it inside. So now you have two pieces coming towards you, I guess, and then two pieces facing down on your desk. Take the next piece, the third piece, put it in the bottom, press the top piece with the other two, and then flick out the bottom piece. So now you have three coming towards you and three facing down on the desk. And then take the final piece and just stick that in there. Close it up and then just play with it around the bottom and slide them up to make it look like the flower. There are some rather strange looking dies in the Peony Dies, and I'm showing you here what each die is for. So this one makes this leaf like that. This one here makes this leaf, and this one here makes this leaf. And then these make a dimension of the leaf. And this makes a center of the flower. So if you look at these here, the larger one fits on the bottom of this flower and adds dimension to the leaf. And then we have the center one, which is the next size, and that fits on there like that. And then we have the smallest one, which fits on the smallest leaf like that.